Before starting this chapter of mapping the eyebrows, I would like to just mention why eyebrows are important for a makeup artist, like why we should learn to make the correct eyebrows. So I believe that eyebrows actually have the power to completely change the look of the face by correcting the minor flaws such as small eyes or eyes that are too far apart. If we know how to give the right brow shape to a client's face, it can actually add length and definition to the face. Plus, it also helps in defining the eye makeup, and it is actually an expression which you're adding to the client's face. So, we need to learn how high the highest point of the brow should be, or how straight a brow should be on a client's face. So, let's start going. So we need to follow the 3 point method uh, to actually learn to draw the eyebrow. The first point is this, which is marked here as point A. This is the beginning of the brow that aligns with the center of the nostril. Then the second point is point B, which is the highest point of the arch, and that aligns with the edge of the nostril and center of the iris. So basically, it comes from the highest point to the center of the eyeball and to the corner of the nostrils. The point C, which is the end of the brow, that aligns with the edge of the nostril and the outer corner of the eye. So these are the 3 points which we always need to see before we decide what shape we are going to give to the client's eyebrows.